If you had the ability to save a life, would you? I think that most people wouldn't hesitate before responding yes to that question. I have been going to libraries, firehouses, and other locations throughout my district recently to offer residents an opportunity to do just that. Last night, right here in my hometown, at the Island Park Library, I distributed the 1,000th Narcan kit to a local resident. This opioid reversal can save the life of a person who is experiencing an overdose. Saving someone's life with Narcan is the first step towards giving them a second chance at life. Let me tell you a little bit about our Narcan response team. Our town has personnel who deal with medical emergencies on a regular basis. Ocean lifeguards, public safety officers, and bay constables are among those who respond to crises. These professionals were the first ones who received these kits. Town lifeguards were actually able to save an overdose victim with Narcan in 2016, immediately following one of our first classes. About the program. This is a comprehensive training, but some of the major points that we include are identifying if a person is suffering the effects of an overdose, how to administer Narcan, and the importance, and I can't stress this enough, the importance of getting the person medical assistance even if they don't want it. The number of deaths on Long Island caused by opioid overdose in 2016 reached a staggering 539, with 190 of those deaths right here in Nassau County. This has truly reached an epidemic level, and we need to do everything we can to try to stem the number of deaths caused by this scourge.
In my community, I was told that one small school district from the class of 2010, in the last 10 months, 12 kids died of overdoses, opiate overdoses. 12 kids in 10 months have died of opiate overdoses in one small school district in the class of 2010. So, and you know what? My parish priest says he's burying people that are parents. So it's not just kids doing it; it's all ages that are involved in it. So, please take advantage of the wonderful thing that Councilman D'Esposito was doing, providing the education and the packet to do this.
Councilman D'Esposito's Save a Life tour with our Narcan is part of our broader public health initiatives that we do through the town with our town EMS division. And we do know that our Narcan kits have saved at least 10 lives since we've distributed them. The councilman did mention the one that our lifeguards did, but we've gotten feedback from a number of the other departments, fire departments, and some community groups where we've handed out these kits that they've been used to save people's lives. So this is an absolute win-win for everybody.
As many of you know, I was a former chief of the Island Park Fire Department and a New York City detective. And my days on the street as a detective in Brooklyn, the way that I fought the opioid epidemic was to put people behind bars. Now, serving as a town councilman, I feel that this is the best way, is to educate and provide the resources to our community in order to really give people a second chance, to give them a second shot at life.